A nice feature in Pronto is the ability to control your pricing unit of measure. So once you log in to Pronto, if you go to My Accounts, and you'll see preferences here on the account management page. Just come through and go to Preferences and click that. And it's going to take you to several things. You can show our part number or not, yes or no. You can control your search filters. You also can set your default order date range or quote range to month, week, or day. Whatever preferences. Month is the default, but you can change that to week or day. But the main thing in here is pricing unit of measure default. So these are by items, so I can come down here and say for aluminum angle, I want it priced per foot. For hot roll angle, I want it priced per pound, and so on. You can go through and change each of these to whatever you want by product. When you get done, you click the blue Save button, and that's going to lock these items in. So now that I've set this, I can go back to the products page, and I can add a hot roll angle to the cart, and our pricing unit measure is going to be set like we want it to. So it's a really nice feature. So I'm just going to angle hot roll. I'm just going to put an angle into the cart. Say if we have 10 pieces, add, and we'll put it into the cart. And once we go to the cart, we're going to see this priced in the unit of measure that we have it set for. So this is set on the user level, so not on the account level. So if someone, say an estimator, wanted it priced per pound and purchasing wanted it priced per piece, you could change that on the individual user level. Incidentally, you can't always change it here if you want to, but we would prefer that you get into the cart with the unit of measure that you want. And again, that is controlled by the grid that we just looked at that is under preferences. So hopefully that helps, and we're trying to reduce as many clicks as possible, and that's one nice way to do it. Thanks, and have a great day.